Hello, my name is Ilya Omelette and I will show you today how to make one of the most elegant omelets in my opinion, which is omelets over the steam bath. So for that we're using a bowl and we're using a little saucepan filled up with little water. And our main ingredient today is a piece of salmon. We slice it and then we cut it in some sort of cubes. A little bit of salt. And we add it to the rest of the mixture right away. We shake it. Add some butter. I put the whole chunk of butter and I allow it to burn completely, but deliberately. You see how it's thickened? That's what I want to show you. You see it's almost no runny anymore. A little bit of dill, just a little bit. I added in the sauce a little bit of salt.